Hey everyone, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to help you remember how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. A few things before we start. First, I want to differentiate between Celsius and Fahrenheit in terms of their freezing and boiling points. Celsius has a boiling point of 100 degrees and a freezing point of 0 degrees. Fahrenheit has a boiling point of 212 degrees, a freezing point of 32 degrees. This is because Celsius reflects the metric system, whereas Fahrenheit does not. So it's really any country that doesn't use the metric system is probably going to have Fahrenheit, and any that does use the metric system will have Celsius. Every degree Celsius is actually 1.8 times larger than the degree Fahrenheit. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, you're going to take the temperature that you have in Celsius and multiply it by 1.8 plus 32. Let's start with 15 degrees Celsius. 1 times 15 is 15. Any number multiplied by 1 will remain the same number. 0.8 times 15. You subtract a fifth from the original number, so you know what 0.8 would be. So in this example, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. 15 and 12 is 27. And then you add 32 to the number after you multiply it by 1.8. You always add 32. So it would be 27 plus 32. So that would be 59. Alexa, what's 15 degrees Celsius as Fahrenheit?
15 degrees Celsius is 59 degrees Fahrenheit.
I did it. Okay, got it. So if you want to figure out Fahrenheit to Celsius, just do it in reverse. Take the number you're converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32, and then divide it by 1.8. That would be your degree in Celsius. Something to know about temperature also is that Celsius used to go by centigrade, but they changed it to Celsius. Celsius was made after Fahrenheit to reflect the metric system because intervals of 10 were seen as easier to use rather than whatever Fahrenheit is. A fun fact, Fahrenheit and Celsius become the same temperature at negative 40 degrees. So if it's negative 40 degrees, you don't have to say Fahrenheit or Celsius. Think of two line graphs, one for Celsius, one for Fahrenheit. These graphs are going in different directions, but despite this, they still are going to overlap and intercept each other at a certain point. This doesn't happen in the positives, but rather the negatives. They would make a sort of X and overlap or intercept each other, which just happens to be negative 40 degrees. Thanks for watching my video. Like, follow, subscribe. I hope this helped you, and that if you're ever traveling abroad, you will now be able to convert temperature. Will I be able to? Probably not.